All right, breaking news coming in, not a good one to start the bulletin with, but India's Q4 GDP numbers have been released, not in fact quite encouraging, and it is expected 3.1% in the last quarter. In fact, the full year for year 20, financial year 20, the GDP now stands at 4.2. This is the lowest since the 2009 global financial crisis. So India recording the lowest in the last 11 years as far as the GDP is concerned. Going across to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who is joining us with more details on these numbers. Aishwarya, though it was expected that the numbers are going to in fact come down, but not a good news in the current environment of gloom and doom all around.
Well, definitely, Ankit, we were all expecting the GDP to be way lower. But, once you see the numbers, it really hits you. And our GDP of the last quarter stands at 3.1%. Now, what experts and industrialists at the moment are expecting is for this number to improve in months to come. Most of them are also of the opinion that the 20 lakh crore package that the government has given out will also start showing some kind of fruits in months to come. But yes, if we talk about the core sectors, those are the sectors which actually tell you how the economy is doing. If we talk about electricity, it has been down massively. If we talk about steel, it has been down to minus 83%, which means that we all know that the consumption was not there, industrial growth was not there. If we talk about coal, that also was in the red. So all these numbers at the moment obviously pointing towards a massive slowdown. But yes, industrialists as well as experts at the moment feel that we could see some uptick in the coming few months. But that obviously depends on how the lockdown will take place in the next few months.
Okay. Now, this will compound the problems for the country. And as we look at the rising number of cases of the coronavirus, the challenge for the government also to, in fact, balance the economy. And with these numbers, in fact, coming in, it is only going to create more pressure. We'll have to wait and see how the government devises the way forward as far as the lockdown is concerned. Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.